What's up, guys? Ego Complex, Crypto Cauldron. You get to see my face now, so you get the added benefit of entertainment along with my trend analysis and TA. Guys, as always, look at the description in the video. Check out our Discord trading group. If you do not like it after you join, you get a full refund within the first month. We've never had anybody leave and ask for a refund, so I think you'll enjoy it. This is a Bitcoin update, guys. Look at this arrow, the price action here. I drew this 10 in the morning Eastern time. It is now just after 10 at night Eastern time. It's just following this trend. So ignore the YouTubers talking about selling volume, decreasing, and it looks like it's going to boom. In actuality, if you look at the MACD, you were in a bullish cross here throughout the day, and you made pretty much no progress. And now you're about to get a bearish cross here, and there's not going to be, I mean, looking at the color here of the candles, the lighter red, you had the lighter green here. There's just nothing going on here, guys. It's a holiday weekend in the U.S., July 4th weekend. We've got a lot of Brits in our Discord. Sorry, guys, but we enjoy our July 4th of kicking your butts out of the country. I'm sure you have a nice Queen Day or something over there. I don't know what you have, so enjoy that. But there's nothing going on here, guys, with Bitcoin. You're just going to hug the Ichi cloud. You're going to hug the Ichi cloud, and eventually you're going to fall through it. I still think the price action, the movement's down. If you'd ask me a percentage, I'd say 80% likely we're going down, 20% we could go up, right? Because you can always get a whale pump. You can always get some other, you could get buyers stepping in. You can't do trend analysis or TA on when buyers step in necessarily. But you have these key resistances. You have the 35, you have the 200, 233 is up higher, and then you got the volume step off. And I beat this to death over the last couple of days, so I'm not going to get into that, guys. You can watch my other videos and see the volume. As you can see, it's just not doing anything. I mean, this is probably going to be Bitcoin, and maybe tonight it makes a move on the downtrend. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but most likely this is just going down, guys. There's not a lot going on. Let's check out the 1 hour while we're here. Oh, you know what I see on the 1 hour? That's interesting. So the 1 hour, we're above the super guppy, right? Which makes sense. You're above the 200, which also makes sense because we're always above the 200 in normal situations. Even when we were combating the 200 on a 4 hour, the 1 hour was above it. But what's interesting here, do you guys see this? What's your favorite cartoon? Because I see the Bart Simpson pattern. So what is the Bart Simpson pattern? Let me explain it real quick. So it is a parabolic rise or descent. In this case, rise, meaning a candle that's out of the ordinary for the trend, right? It doesn't have to be price-specific rise. Candle, much out of the ordinary for a trend. So you have the rise, right? And then you have the chop, up and down. The SPF, the swing pattern failure, would be this peak right here, right? That was your peak, and now you're descending. This is really brutal. But this looks like you're going to fall down here pretty soon. Right, so the idea is that you return to where you were, and then you could draw, well, I guess a cyclops. This is really hard to draw with. I'm not at my usual undisclosed location, guys. This is really ugly. I'm house sitting for a friend. Sorry, you can hear the dog in the background. They're out of town for the weekend, and I'm house sitting watching their dog at another undisclosed location in Florida. That doesn't look like Bart Simpson at all, but you can see what I'm talking about here. Maybe if yeah, that just makes it worse. So that's going to return. So look for that candle. Let me remove, this is really ugly. Let me get rid of this. Sorry, this is just really ugly. This is going to return to whence it came. So that will be a price descension when that does happen. Take a look for that. And again, that's the Bart Simpson pattern. Let me draw it up here. You go up, you have your chop, right? And then you have your return. And this can be either way. And there's your swing pattern failure here where you made a high and then you just have a descending pattern. Okay, so that's the failure. And of course, where did it happen? The point of confluence, right? The peak volume is where it happened. But your problem, dude, volume, you guys just got to look at volume. How many YouTubers talk about volume? Maybe me and Expert Crypto, maybe Crypto Savvy. That's about it. If you watch any of these other guys, all their videos are this. Bitcoin's here. My price prediction for Bitcoin is that. That's my price prediction for Bitcoin. No matter where you are in trend, you could be down 30,000 points. That's their price prediction for Bitcoin every single video. So, I came to this space, guys, like the last week of April. I traded in all the other markets, right? I've been in futures, forex, stocks, options. I was trading options very heavily this year. But I came to this space in April. I am not bearish. I'm not bullish. I get a lot of haters calling me bearish. I just report the news. I do trend analysis. That's my niche, trend analysis. And I report the data that I see, or the news that I see, however you want to say it. So I don't care if Bitcoin goes up or down, because I make money when Bitcoin goes down. I make money when Bitcoin goes up. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just telling you what I see in pattern, right? And that's what we share in our Discord group, by the way. We post trades. We have a special trading room where everybody can post their trades. Everybody discusses TA. People post their own TA. It is a fantastic group. I've been in several groups, not knowing anything about crypto coins themselves when I came to the crypto space. Didn't know the difference between, whatever, VET and Harmony One. Didn't know any difference between them. So I joined some groups to educate myself, and I just started doing TA in some of these groups, and I just saw how bad the TA is on YouTube. I mean, like the traditional financial marketplace, there's guys that are just wizards with TA, right? I consider myself advanced. I never consider myself an expert in anything. I think you're constantly learning as an investor and as a person and as a trend analysis or technical analysis individual. But the YouTube TA is so bad. You can tell by their clickbaity titles they use. I mean, you really need to judge the people that you follow. How accurate do they predict trends? That's what you need to look at. Don't judge whether they're a nice guy, whether they're, a good person. They make you feel good about yourself because you own coins, and they keep telling you, hey, just wait because Bitcoin's doing this. Oh, just wait. Bitcoin fell 20,000 points. Well, it's doing this. I forgot to tell you it's going to fall 20,000 points. So Bitcoin fell again. Oh, it's going to do this. That's the summation of YouTube TA. It's so horrible. It's so horrible. And you guys know who these people are. So come try something different if you want accurate information, because you can make money either way. All right, short video because nothing's going on. Watch for this Bart Simpson pattern to fail. You already had your swing pattern failure. It's going to come back down. Probably, it may not penetrate the cloud, but if it does, there's a lot of lines here. It's going to do it somewhere around here because this is the thinnest part of the cloud. It may just fall to cloud and then kind of trend up. It depends on volume, guys. And there's just nothing going on right now in Bitcoin. But hope you enjoyed the video. Guys in the US and Canada, enjoy the fireworks and spend some time with your families. And we will all talk soon again. Look for the next update, guys.